Hey guys, what's up? Today I made a clamp for this steering wheel, which is gonna help me steer like trucks or buses. And yeah, right now I'm making the ball, but I noticed I wanted to make the ball 40 millimeters in diameter, but now I noticed like the relation, it's gonna be a little small, so I'm gonna scale it a little bit bigger, like 50, yeah, 50 is probably good. Yeah, now let's make the hole. And also my stuff is printing right here, as you can see. It's just the clamps without the ball because I wanted to make the ball a little more time efficient. Yeah, so I'm making a hole in the ball. I'm just gonna cut it out so it fits perfectly on here. Yeah, let's do it. Let's see. Beautiful. And we can join it together like that. Oh, what happened? And as you can see, without that little thing, it does look kind of good. I'm gonna put like a little screws in there. As you can see, I cut out like hexagon holes for the nuts right here. Yeah, one is sitting in WD-40 because it was running a little rough. As of now, it's already making infills and the support for the little thing for the ball. Yeah, I'm gonna update you guys when it's done. I have the little clamps and the slicer. As you can see, it's already printing. Let's just get rid of those real quick. Put the ball in here. Nice. Slice it. Oh. Support. I'm actually gonna leave the support on 4 hours. Yeah, so that's a long. Oh, yeah. The infill. Set it to 10%. 2 hours 38 minutes, so that's cool. Let's see how it will look. Okay, that's beautiful. So also quick question, if anybody's gonna answer it. I've got this benchy right here. I actually canceled the print because it was ass. Look, these holes right here, I think you can see them. And this little line and everything, like this is just ass. Like, if anybody could tell me why that is, I tried everything and I just don't know. So the print is almost done now. Let's wait a second. Okay, caught it. Beautiful. See? Hell yeah, look at that. Hexagons, everything. Second one, oh. So beautiful. So it's not like the benchy anymore. I don't know why. Probably because the benchy got a little off curves. Yes, let's remove the support. Boom, done. Okay, so they popped off real easily. As you can see, not much in there anymore. That's a little rough, but it's gonna wear down over time with the ball. First layer looks perfect, the hexagons are in there. I'm just gonna screw it onto the wheel now. So I got it on the wheel now, like this. And it actually does fit perfectly, beautiful. Look at that. Now with the ball, I'm gonna print the ball tomorrow because it's pretty late. Let's pop these screws in. That way, just like that, it's in. Beautiful. next one, maybe that one will. Beautiful. Got both of them in. I'll actually screw it on. See if it's good or not. Fits perfectly too. It's tight on there, no slipping. Beautiful. I can just go now and with the ball, move it around. Very beautiful. So let's save it. And it's saved. Pop it in. Beautiful. So it's the next day. I did print it out now. Let's see. Beautiful. Look at that. I don't know if it's a little too big, like for the proportions, but it looks beautiful. Especially from my printer. It's beautiful. The little thing. I'm gonna remove that. So let's see if it fits. So as you can now see, got the ball right here, and it does fit perfectly. Even turned, everything. Beautiful. So I would say it was a successful project. Stay tuned for the next one.